Ekuthule bandleni, umfana kagama. Welcome to Mosaic Music, the platform where we design music. Ukucula ugwaba, we always break down our lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. We always give positive feedback. We encourage people, we inspire others as well. Now, so basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up? Well, ungibuza ukuthi wayengafakanga ama-earphones ami namangazi. Ask me, and I wouldn't even give you an answer. Anywho, so without saying a lot of things, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, man. Share to others as well, man. You know, I really do appreciate it. But fair too, the channel is growing at an alarming rate. The views are doing great. I will cooking. So, in reaction namhlanje, it's Christian Catholic Church. Itamaseko. Ngi ngim yeah ngiyim oh hi guys, I don't know. But the music video itamaseko. Njengoba ngimtshela ukuthi nama music video adropile, so I am failing to pronounce lento legama. What? So I guys, so nje, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Mpumputhe.
Oh, Kamalayo.
Okay. No, for real. Like it's that's a bar actually, but I'm still trying to get what they're saying. Nimpumpute. Impumpute is someone who can see, right? Damn. So but by impumpute ngiyafana nomuntu ongaboni emehlweni. Like ngokomoya, that is a bar. That is a bar. Because honestly speaking, we like blind people. Legit speaking, we are like blind people, yo. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. So, guys, is like it's not the first time as Ngilizwa legamele to Bartimeo. Like, what's up with him, man? What happened? What happened, bro? Like, why? Because the song says Nimpumpute ikamala Bartimeo. Now, I don't know if it's direct comparison to Bartimeo as a person in figure emhlabeni, or the song is about him. But I do believe it's a comparison because everything is issue as Zion is always figuratively. Tell me the story about Bartimeo, man. Likuphi, man, because ngiyalizwa legama, but I never really like dive into it, man. And shout out to the production team too, man. They did a good to the bass, the bass too. Nah, that's sad, man. Nah, that is sad, like for real, for real. So, according to the song, it's about a person, Bartimeo. Now, I think Bartimeo was born blind. I don't know if figuratively or literally, but he was born blind. He's like that because of God. Now, they are saying, is he like that because of his wrongdoings? Or is it because of his father's sin? Hmm. Aye. Aye. When I say we need more Zion music, we also need storytelling that have nothing related with our lives. Just stories. I mean, most musics, it's just stories, things that are not even related to some of these artists. Like, wow. Like wow. And I'm trying to lock in right now. How do you get punished when you just got here? Like you just got here, bro. You just got born. And how are you? Oh my god. Like wow. And the story is mad. Like it's mad, but never mind the story, bro. Naizwa le first part. Nasizwa lesifutho. Ah man, it's a sad story, man. It's a painful story, man.
Abe ungubona kwakhe sibunga babazali bakhe Nkosi yamakhosi lesiqalekiso sehlela kuye kwenzenjani engabe kwenzenjani engabe kwenzenjani
Mm, mm, mm. Yo, so it is true when they say the son will carry or will be punished for his father's sin. Mm, wow. Just hear the second part. Woo.
engaboni kanjena ngabe kwenzenjani ngabe kwenzenjani ngalo muntu Nkosi ngabe kwenzenjani abanye abantu bayamkhuza bayememeza nimkhuzela engalungani Nkosi yamakhosi themba lakho libe
But also, then, if you really look at the context of the story, and the fact that this dude is born blind. Now, the lady says, "Bekufanele kuvele ubukhulu bakho." My thought process goes like this. Yes, he might be getting punished for the father's sins, but at the same time, rectifying what the father did by just focusing on him being God. Yeah, that is the craziest thing ever, man. I mean, think about it. Because I mean, if you're blind, whether literally or figuratively, who do you think you're gonna focus on? Because if you're blind literally, you can't see people's faces. You can't really get bothered by things around you because you can't see. So who are you gonna depend on? Obviously God, right? Literally, and then figuratively, if you're not if you're blind figuratively, it means that you don't necessarily process what's happening on your day-to-day life. You are fixated on you, yourself, and God, which happens. That is why I'm like, when it comes to a lot of Zion music, there's too much figurativeness going on here. So if you're not gonna get what's going on, who will? Even when you read the Bible, same thing. A lot of things are figuratively, not literally. A lot of things are figuratively. And if you don't understand it, you will be lost. Maseko hayi nyanivuma shame.
bayamkhuza mayebemesa nimkhuzelani engalubani inkosi yamakhosi ithemba lakho libeke kuyo ubani inkosi yamakhosi uyazi usezobona emehlweni nawe nakubukabukela ujesu njengenkosi nomsindisi amehlo akho bengavuleka namhlanje Ambeni nimsondeze duze kwendlela lapho kuzodlula khona uJesu unobona nami njengababonayo Nkosi msize mnini mandla wonke msize Nkosi akekho engamsiza Nkosi yamakhosi
Damaseko. Is it the Damaseko that we know? Like Damaseko. Or is it another one? Angazi phela ngiyabuza guys. Hayi, ngikwazi ukukwada ngibuza. Wow, what a powerful song. Like, you know, let's pray ukuthi sifane naye. Nje bathu bani? The name is running again. That guy. Lo zalangaboni. I mean, you know, when you're too fixated on the world and what's happening, sometimes you lose sight of yourself. Now, I'm not saying Gucci, let's not chase fame, let's not chase money, let's not chase having a good life. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is that you can't do everything, man. Like you can't be in everything and all and everything and every time and all the time. You can't. Like you can't. You'll lose your soul. It's like one of the famous saying, what gain does it have? What gain does it have to win the world and lose your soul? I watch a lot of American movies. That line is embedded in my subconscious. But because we live on an earthly thing and on an earthly world, it's easy to get lost in the source because you need earthly things to live. You need a car, you need a house, you need money, you want a wife, you want a family. There's a lot of want. Because and there's a specific song, a House of God. I just forgot the name of it. That song says, konke okwenzayo emhlabeni cabangela umoya, because umzimba unendawo yayo. What about the soul? Now, also saying ukuthi sometimes a disadvantage works for you. That's why there's a Chinese quote that says, in every crisis, there's an opportunity, which is true. Wow. Damaseko. Hey, drop an album. This is what I mean, man. We need more Zion music. This. Ibheka lebandla leli is so insane. I love that woman. Angmazi, sisters, love you. And whoever Oshaya first part, Oshaya first party understood the assignment. And then if base lebandla lena was out of this world. Ngikhuluma nge-leader. He sings from the core, like you feel the pain of but God, he did nothing. But yet, whether you believe in the Bible or you don't, whether you believe in the Quran or the Torah, I don't care. There are things that are universal. The father's sins will always fall on the child. on the male child. That you can't run away. You see, Camille, responsibility and blame is the same thing. Because blame is taking accountability. Responsibility is taking what? Accountability. It's the same thing. It's just the context of the content that has been spoken about. Oh my God. Hi, guys. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, the more guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. So, yo, in the favorite way to stupid, adios.